hidden rice tricks that are truly useful and everyone should know. But unfortunately, only 1% of people know them. If your rice got burnt, and you made a large amount but don't want to throw it away, do the following. First, get a large container and fill it with cold water. Once that's done, place the pot with the burnt rice inside and leave it in the water for 2 minutes. This process is simple and extremely effective, as it removes all the burnt smell and taste from the rice. After the time is up, just transfer the rice to another pot, without scraping the bottom. With this, you'll have perfect rice ready to eat, without any burnt taste or smell. Now, if you always want your rice to be flavorful and fluffy, there's a very easy and effective trick for this. Grab a little vinegar, preferably white or alcohol vinegar, so it doesn't alter the rice's flavor. With the water still in the pot, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This small detail will make a huge difference, and you'll have fluffy rice just like the best restaurants. Another very interesting tip is to uncover the pot and place a slice of bread on top of the rice. Then immediately cover it and wait a few minutes. The bread slice is capable of absorbing all the burnt smell and taste, leaving you with perfect rice with no signs of the incident. Another trick to recover burnt rice is to uncover the pot while it's still hot, then remove a small amount and place it on the counter. Once that's done, place the pot on top, and this process will help dissipate the burnt smell. After that, just do as in the first trick by transferring the rice to another pot without scraping the bottom. Besides these tips, rice can also be used in many other ways. If you've never tried any of these tricks, I highly recommend trying them at home. I'm sure you'll love the result. These simple and easy tricks can make a big difference in the quality of your dishes and especially help avoid waste. These small culinary tips are passed down from generation to generation, and now they're all yours. So take advantage and share them with all your friends and family so more people can have access and enjoy perfect rice at every meal. Cooking is a continuous learning process, and every new tip or trick is a step forward. If you know any other rice tricks that I haven't mentioned, feel free to tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.